Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. We will discuss Business Process Reengineering BPR. Business Process Reengineering BPR is a method of improving business processes by redesigning them to increase efficiency, performance and customer satisfaction. It encourages organizations to rethink old methods, use innovative ideas, improve workflows and make better use of technology. Business Process Reengineering BPR is implemented by companies when they want to bring dramatic changes in their operations and improve overall performance. BPR also promotes teamwork, customers' focus, and effective change management. By continuously improving processes, BPR helps organizations reduce costs, increase productivity, and remain competitive. Corporations can opt for BPR when they are facing issues in their productivity or when they come across a problem that needs to be addressed for better results. There are many businesses and global companies that have implemented the concept of BPR and detect the problems in their system and rectify them to ensure that the changes have a positive impact on operations. Some of the key objectives of BPR are: first objective, process optimization. Business Process Reengineering BPR aims to improve business processes by removing inefficiencies, unnecessary steps and delays. One request: if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and press the notification bell. Second objective, cost reduction. BPR focuses on removing activities that do not add value and reducing waste of resources in business processes. It simplifies procedures, cuts unnecessary steps and uses resources more effectively. This helps organizations lower costs, improve financial performance and make better use of available resources. Third objective, customer satisfaction. BPR focuses on improving customer satisfaction by redesigning processes according to customer needs and expectations. Fourth objective, quality improvement. BPR aims to improve process quality by removing errors, defects and unnecessary rework. It redesigns processes and uses better control measures to improve accuracy and consistency. This helps organizations deliver higher quality outputs and continuously improve their performance. Fifth objective, innovation and competitive advantage. BPR fosters a culture of innovation by encouraging organizations to challenge the status quo and embrace new ideas. By leveraging technology, exploring innovative approaches, and incorporating best practices, organizations can gain a competitive advantage, drive industry innovation, and stay ahead of others. Sixth objective, employee engagement and empowerment. BPR recognizes the crucial role of engaged and empowered employees in driving process improvement. Let us discuss the features of Business Process Reengineering BPR. First feature, radical redesign. BPR goes beyond incremental adjustments by advocating a radical overhaul of existing processes. It encourages organizations to challenge conventional thinking, question established norms, and envision entirely new ways of performing tasks. Second feature, process focus. BPR places emphasis on analyzing end-to-end processes, identifying inefficiencies, and finding opportunities for optimization. By understanding the interdependencies and interactions between various processes, organizations can achieve enhanced efficiency and effectiveness. Third feature, customer centricity. BPR places paramount importance on understanding and meeting customer needs and expectations. It emphasizes aligning business processes with customer requirements to deliver exceptional value and ensure high level of satisfaction. Fourth feature, simplification and elimination. BPR advocates for simplifying processes by eliminating unnecessary steps, reducing complexities, and removing redundant activities. By streamlining workflows and eliminating non-value added tasks, organizations can enhance efficiency, minimize errors, and expedite the completion of activities. Fifth feature, technology enablement. BPR recognizes the transformative potential of technology in optimizing processes. It encourages organizations to leverage innovative technologies, automation, and digital solutions to streamline operations, enhance data analysis capabilities, and facilitate real-time decision making. One request, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, and press the notification bell. Sixth feature, performance measurement. BPR stresses the importance of establishing robust performance metrics and measurement systems to assess the effectiveness of process improvements. Seventh feature, cross-functional collaboration. BPR fosters a culture of collaboration and teamwork across different functions and departments. Eighth feature, change management. BPR acknowledges the significance of effective change management in successfully implementing process changes. Business process reengineering comprises of 5 essential steps. Business process of reengineering. Step 1, identify and understand current processes. Step 2, analyze and measure process performance. Step 3, design the new process framework. Step 4, implement the redesigned process. Step 5, monitor, measure, and optimize. First step, identify and understand current processes. Mapping of the existing workflows is the initial step in BPR. In this step, it is necessary to record the current work process, its execution, delays, and resources. Second step, analyze and measure process performance. After identifying processes, fine-tuning will unearth the underlying cause of inefficiency, either due to old technology, role ambiguity, bureaucracy, or absence of automation. Third step, design the new process framework. Once problems are identified, the next thing is to draw up a completely new and better process. The redesign can integrate automation such as robotic process automation, RPA, AI-based analytics, centralized digital, or less complex policy designs. This is aimed to creating a future-ready system that is efficient, faster, customer-centered, and scalable. Fourth step, implement the redesigned process. This change is usually carried out through change management, system upgrades, and reassignments of roles, staff training, and pilot testing. The redesigned process should be rolled out in stages, adoption checked, and resistance overcome before it takes place. The integration of technologies and flexibility of employees is essential in this stage. Fifth step, monitor, measure, and optimize. BPR is not completed with implementation. The process to be redesigned should be continuously monitored so that it can produce expected results. Periodical auditing and optimization ensures future performance and viable competitive leading. Let us see the example of how Ford did BPR. Ford, the American multinational automobile corporation, shines out as the first and one of the most popular examples of a company that successfully executed BPR. In 1995, Ford began an extensive plan called the Ford 2000. This basically meant that the company merged its European, North American and other international operations into one single global organization. With the BPR in Ford 2000, the company brought dramatic cost reductions by making the processes and products common worldwide. Ford intended to remove process and organizational redundancies. This re-engineering also helped the company in realizing and implementing economies of scale in both manufacturing and purchasing. The new business process redesign approach made the technology be employed to overcome any forms of production constraints. Earlier, Ford worked with the rule that we pay when we receive the invoice. But post re-engineering and radically redesigning the process moved to a new rule, which was we pay when we receive the goods. Let us conclude. Business process re-engineering is a radical process that requires vision, planning and good implementation. The 5 steps, including understanding existing processes, performance analysis, workflow redesign, change implementation and constant optimization, can help organizations to reach an operational excellence and open considerable business growth. That's all. Thank you so much for watching the video.